Did you know that perfume could actually be detrimental to your health? The term fragrance, when they use the term fragrance on a label, there can actually be a combination of over 300 chemicals that the companies don't have to disclose that information of what it is, as long as it's called a fragrance. That's kind of scary. So that's often why people get headaches from smelling those synthetic perfumes. I'm definitely one of them. I definitely get headaches from smelling perfumes. It's better to play it safe than sorry and create your own natural perfume. When you use essential oils, then you can make it exactly how you want it, and you can know that they're safe. So not only are these perfumes that you make safe, but they can actually help you. You can use them as a therapy for you. You can go from feeling down and out to feeling very happy and confident in just a matter of seconds. You put them on and you smell them and you're feeling better. So there's a few different places where you can buy the bottles. We can copy a few links to where you can find bottles, roller bottles, spray bottles, a lot of different options out there for you. A lot of different ways to use the different whatever is comfortable for you. So there's a few different recipes. And so if you're going to do a spray, you're going to be using alcohol, and if you're going to be doing a roll-on bottle, then you're going to be wanting to use like the V6 carrier oil. So a few recipes to be making your own perfume. And like I said, play around with it. Find what you want. Not all the designs are going to be equal. They're going to smell different on different skins. So find the one you like and create your own. That you want to, that makes you feel good. Find a bottle, find an oil that you might need to help promote, maintain, or support your body, and use that every day. Use it as your perfume. So just a few samples. So like in a 10 milliliter bottle, 5 drops of joy, 5 drops of geranium, and 10 drops of tangerine, or maybe 5 drops of joy and 15 drops of lemon. 5 drops Northern Lights black spruce, 5 drops orange, 2 drops rose, or possibly 10 drops Oolah Fun and 10 drops white angelica. So maybe more of a relaxing, you're going to try 10 drops stress away and 10 drops orange, or maybe try 10 drops lavender, 5 drops frankincense, and 5 drops orange. Or let's try 5 drops lavender, 5 drops stress away, and 10 drops valor. That to me sounds amazing. If you want one that smells like love, try 12 drops Lang Lang and 8 drops orange. Another mix to be good is 6 drops grapefruit, 6 drops sandalwood, and 6 drops of jasmine. Or maybe you could try 10 drops Lang Lang and 10 drops Idaho Blue Spruce. So let us know in the comments maybe what's your favorite scent, whether you're going to go floral or citrus or spicy. Let us know.